Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn something fun and magical, addition. Addition means putting things together. If you have one toy and your friend gives you one more toy, now you have two toys. We write it like this: 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. The plus sign, plus symbol, means add. Addition is everywhere. When you count chocolates, balloons, or stickers, you are using addition. Let's try an example. You have 2 apples. Mom gives you 3 more apples. Now count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. The answer in addition is called the total. Addition makes numbers bigger. You can use fingers to add. Show 3 fingers, then add 2 more. Count all fingers, 5. Easy, right? You can also draw to add. Draw 2 stars. Then draw 1 more. Count them, 3 stars. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Addition is like collecting treasures. The more you add, the more you have. Here is a fun trick. Start from the bigger number and count forward. If you solve 5 plus 2, start at 5, then 6, 7. The answer is 7. Addition is used every day. When sharing snacks, counting toys, or playing games, math is there. Remember, making mistakes is okay. Every mistake makes your brain stronger. Just keep practicing. So what did we learn? Addition means putting together. The plus sign tells us to add. And the total is the answer. Great job today, math stars. Keep adding, keep smiling, and keep learning. See you next time. Bye my friends.